Are you happy to be leaving the house?
Are we gonna go for vroom vroom? Are we gonna...
Hey everyone, it's Pam. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thanks for clicking on this video. This is kind of an impromptu video that I'm doing. We are sitting outside our little puppy's oncologist's office. He is in for his routine blood work and everything that he gets. If you are new to my channel, we have a little Shih Tzu who is fighting leukemia right now, and he is starting hopefully to win the battle. We're keeping our fingers crossed. Any prayers would be welcome. We are trying to get him into remission. He's being a real sport about it. He's been in other videos that I've done. I will put the link up in the iCard above here or down in the description below. Go check him out. We're trying to include him in more of my videos. We don't know how much longer we have with him, but we want him in as many videos as possible. You might have even clicked on this video after seeing his little antics and how he likes to talk to us and tell us what he wants. I mean, he's not spoiled or anything like that. I don't know why. So I'll try to include some extra videos of his antics and the tricks he can do too on this video as well. So what I thought I'd do that is organizing is I wanted to tell you about some upcoming videos that I'm going to be uploading in probably about a month or two. It's not coming right away, but we have been doing a lot of revamping of things in our home, reorganizing as it were. If you have been on my channel for a while, you've heard me say over and over that once you set up an organized system, that doesn't mean it's going to last forever, because our lives are constantly evolving, and that is what has happened in our household. My daughter, the last time she did her room, she was just starting high school, and now she's just about finishing college. Her needs have changed drastically, so she has overhauled her room. She's building new furniture by herself. So excited for her. We're gonna go find some more organizing supplies for her today while our little pup's in. It usually takes him about an hour to an hour and a half every time we come to one of these appointments. So we're gonna bip over to Walmart and the dollar store, see what kind of organizing supplies they have. So please check back. If you haven't already, subscribe and ring the bell so you'll be notified when I upload those videos. And the other video I'm going to be uploading in the next month or two is a pantry transformation. We have this like little nook area in our kitchen that used to be, when we first moved into our house 10 years ago, my kids used it as the school hub. And over the years, like I said, most of them, my daughter's the youngest and she's just about out of college. So really that space isn't working anymore for us. And one of the things my kitchen lacks is pantry space. We've got this tiny little closet. The door's like 2 feet wide at most, and we desperately need a bigger pantry area. So I am going to be transforming that desk area into the most beautiful pantry. That's if it matches the drawing and all my plans that I drew out for it. So we're going to be shopping for that as well today, and I will try to share some of the products we find today later in this video. So again, I can't stress enough, if you want to see these amazing transformations, click on that subscribe button and click on the bell so that you'll get a notification that says, hey, Organizer AZ911 uploaded a video. That's all that does when you ring the bell. So go ahead if you're going to be interested in seeing those future organizing videos. So yeah, that's about all I have to say in this video, but I wanted to check in and let you know some of the upcoming videos you can expect to see. We also have a lot of reaction videos coming your way, product tests coming your way. So if you like all things organized like I do, be sure to subscribe. Okay, so I'm going to stop gabbing and we're going to start shopping.
Okay, these products by Mainstays at Walmart can really help you maximize your space and keep your items organized in your pantry. Look at all of these great drawer organizers. They came in all these cool colors. Ooh, and what do they have here? It looks like they've got a new type of pantry bin available. It's got a step riser built in. This wire mesh stackable bin from Mainstays and this 4-tier bin organizers from Utopia are awesome space savers in your pantry. And I really like a lot of the organizers Utopia offers. Ooh, and here are the Better Homes and Gardens containers I've been using for years in my pantry. I think I'm gonna get some more today. And I think these glass containers are just so cute to use in your kitchen. Now at the Dollar Tree, they are really upping their game when it comes to storage containers. I really love these bins. They can easily store so many things. I usually buy like 5 or 6 of these every time I stop into the Dollar Tree. And check out these step shelves. You can set them up side by side in your pantry to keep all your seasonings organized and easy to find. Ooh, check out this bigger version of the previous bin I showed you. I'm gonna have to get a couple of these.
Okay, we're back. I found some really fun items. I hope you enjoyed seeing them as well with me. And we're just waiting for our little pup to come out after his big appointment. Again, any fingers crossed or prayers would be greatly appreciated so that he can make it to remission. He is only 13 years old and we want a lot more time with him. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know by giving me a big old thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. Take care and I'll talk to you later. What? 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 You want my apple? Is that what you're asking? Really? What else do you want? You can't have the oranges, it's not good for you, nor the grapes. But do you want the apple? What? You want the apple? Do you want that? Okay. You like that? Is that good apple? Chew. Good boy. Chew it well. Good boy. Yeah, that was a bigger piece. Sorry.
Gigi, what is this? Running away from his problems. Gigi.
Yeah, the proof is on the poof. What are you doing to my pillow? Peek! Does commando crawl. Good boy.
High five. High five.
Yay! Bang.
What do you want? You just had dinner. And you had cottage cheese. And you had Cheerios. You had cookies before that, and you had extra Cheerios from John because he was trying to teach you some tricks. You have been non-stop eating today. What do you have to say for yourself? What? What do you have to say?